Number 14. So the given function is f. The function is given. Then they would like to talk about increasing, decreasing, and local maximum, local minimum. All those information must be came from f prime. So like first step, we have to find f prime first. Then what is f prime? So definitely we have to do the quotient, right? There we go. Let me use the red one for your numerator and blue color for your denominator, okay? Then the first of all, numerator prime times second, which is denominator, and it is minus because we are talking about quotient rule. Then numerator times denominator prime, which is 1, okay? Then we need a denominator square. Let me simplify a little bit, okay? It is equal to 2x squared minus 2x minus x squared over x minus 1 squared, okay? I'm not going to do anything for your denominator, okay? But we're going to keep this form, okay? So that is equal to x squared minus 2x over x minus 1 squared, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to find the critical number, okay? So that is equal to 0. Then keep that in mind. Whenever your fraction form equals 0, that means simply your numerator equals 0, okay? So one more time, factoring with common factor, then we can find x equal to 0, and 2's are the critical numbers, okay? But for this problem, not only critical number, but also you have to think about the partition number. What is different between partition number and critical number? Basically, partition number includes the undefined point as well, okay? So here we go. Numbers are x equal to 0, 2, and 1 as well, okay? But keep that in mind. This is undefined point, okay? So which is the vertical asymptote, okay? So we must include this one into my sign chart, okay? Whenever you find this guy, and we're going to do sign chart, okay? Okay, there we go. So first of all, 0 and 2. But keep that in mind. In my previous review, we erased the broken line and empty circle for your undefined point, okay? So this one, not only 3 sections, but this one has like 4 different sections, okay? So you must include like your 1 as your partition number, okay? So let me try to find the sign of a prime for each section. First one, less than 0, and plug in any number which is less than 0 into my prime. So when I plug in -1, so your denominator is always positive because that is squared, and just plug in, like just check the sign of your numerator only, okay? Plug in -1. When you plug in -1, it's positive, okay? So your f prime is positive, which means f is increasing, like this shape graph, right? And between 0 to 1, we're gonna plug in 0.5, okay? 0.5, then it is negative, right? F prime negative, which means f is decreasing, like that. What about between 1 to 2? Maybe 1.5? 1.5, which is negative as well. I'm using this one, okay? Okay, 1.5 times negative 0.05, which is negative. That's why we can decide like this way, okay? And what about bigger than 2? Definitely positive. Increasing. That's it, okay? So from this sign chart, we can answer everything. First of all, increasing interval is from minus infinity to 0 and 2 to infinite. Decreasing interval is like 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, you have to separate, okay? You cannot say like 0 to 2. You must separate 2 separate intervals, okay? And we have like one local maximum and one local minimum, right? Local maximum at x equals 0, and also local minimum at x equal to 2. That's it, okay? So like, you have to be careful about undefined point, okay? You must include that point in your sign chart, okay? And your undefined point, I mean, like, vertical asymptote, those kind of thing, cannot be your local maximum nor local minimum.